Hello there, welcome to this video. My name is Asianzu Henry Duncan, a self-taught web developer. Today is day 4 of my Python learning journey, and the topic I studied today was loops. I looked at for loops, while loops, and nested loops. For loops are used to iterate through a sequence of, for example, lists or even strings or any other iterable objects in Python. So as you can see here, we're looping through a list of numbers. We have our numbers list over here, and for number in numbers, we're printing out the number. So we're grabbing each number in that list and then we're printing it down below. We also have while loops, which are used to execute blocks of code basing on certain conditions. As long as they are kept true, the block inside the while loop will run. Nested loops are simply loops that are running inside another loop. We have a loop of running through fruits, then the color loop is also inside the fruits loop. We have two lists that we are looping through. All the notes of what I covered today will be in the readme file inside my GitHub. I'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.